Ever pondered where ideas originate? Do they fall from the sky or sprout from the ground? Let's take a moment to delve into this mystery, this enigma we call an idea. Ideas are not just fleeting thoughts that randomly pop into our minds. No, they are far more profound, the result of a complex process, a beautiful dance between our conscious and subconscious minds. Imagine a seed, seemingly insignificant, yet within it lies the blueprint of an entire tree. Similarly, within each idea, there is a potential novel, a groundbreaking invention, a compelling movie script. They are the seeds of creation, waiting to be nurtured and brought to life. Ideas are born in the fertile soil of our imagination. They are shaped by what we see, what we feel, and our unique perspective on the world. They are the fragments of our dreams, aspirations, and experiences, woven together in the tapestry of our thoughts. Ideas, like seeds, are born in the fertile soil of our imagination. What if we told you that everything around you was once a figment of someone's imagination? That's right. Every invention, every piece of art, every novel, and even every movie script originated from the fertile ground of the human imagination. Let's think about it for a moment. The smartphone you're probably holding right now, the chair you're sitting on, the music playing in the background, all these elements of your daily life were once non-existent. They were mere thoughts, dreams, or whims in someone's mind. Think about the Wright brothers. Before they brought the world its first successful airplane, they dared to imagine a world where humans could fly. They visualized it, they believed in it, and they made it happen. Or take the example of J.K. Rowling, who dreamt up an entire magical universe inhabited by wizards, witches, and magical creatures. It was her rich imagination that brought us the beloved world of Harry Potter. Imagination is not limited to inventing and creating physical objects or writing best-selling novels. It also fuels innovation in all fields. It's what propels scientists to discover new theories, musicians to compose breathtaking symphonies, and architects to design awe-inspiring buildings. But the power of imagination doesn't stop at creation. It's also a potent tool we can use to shape our reality. When we believe in our ideas, when we can see them in our mind's eye, we take the first crucial step towards making them real. Remember, our imagination is not bound by the laws of physics. It's a limitless expanse where we can freely explore, experiment, and envision. It's our personal playground, where we can conjure up anything we desire. So the next time an idea pops into your head, no matter how outlandish or far-fetched it may seem, don't dismiss it. Embrace it, nurture it, believe in it, because that's where the magic happens. Imagination is not just child's play. It's the canvas on which we paint our reality. Once upon a time, there was an idea, a tiny spark in the vast darkness of the mind. This idea, this spark, was born from the fertile soil of human imagination, the same soil from which great inventions, epic tales, and memorable movies sprout. Our story today is about this idea, this spark. It was a small glimmer at first, a fleeting thought, a whisper in the wind. It was born in the realm of the intangible, a realm where possibilities are endless and boundaries are non-existent. As the idea took shape, it started to grow, fueled by the passion of the dreamer. It was like a seed planted deep within the mind, nurtured by hope and watered with determination. Each day it grew stronger, its roots reaching deeper into the subconscious, its branches stretching out, reaching for the stars. The idea was not alone in this journey. It was accompanied by doubts and fears, the shadows that lurk in the corners of the mind. They whispered words of discouragement, painting pictures of failure and disappointment. But the idea was resilient. It danced with the shadows, embraced the doubts, and used the fears as stepping stones. It knew that the road to reality was paved with challenges, and it was ready to face them all. In time, the idea began to take physical form. It was no longer just a thought, a concept. It was becoming a reality. It was like a sculpture, chiseled meticulously by the hands of the dreamer. Every stroke, every detail, was a testament to the power of belief and the magic of imagination. The dreamer, who once cradled the spark within their mind, now held a blazing reality in their hands. The journey of the idea was complete. From the realm of the intangible, it had crossed the bridge to the tangible, proving that what we can imagine, we can create. And so, from a mere spark, the idea transformed into a blazing reality. This is the story of creation, a tale of resilience, determination, and the indomitable power of imagination. A reminder that every idea, every dream, has the potential to become a blazing reality. Wayne Dyer, a renowned motivational speaker and author, once said, "You'll see it when you believe it." This simple yet profound statement encapsulates his philosophy about the power of belief in shaping our reality. Dyer was a firm believer in the transformative power of the human mind, teaching us that our beliefs and thoughts can and do manifest our desires. He championed the idea that we, as creators, have the ability to bring our ideas to life using the tools of imagination and belief. Imagine a seed planted in the fertile ground of your mind. As you nurture it with belief and positive thoughts, it grows, taking shape and form. This is the essence of Dyer's teachings. He urged us to trust in our imagination, to believe in our visions, and to have faith in the process of creation. And so, we can see that the power to create, to manifest our dreams and ideas, lies within us. Believe in your imagination, and you'll see your ideas take form. We've journeyed through the realm of imagination, but the exploration doesn't end here. Imagination is a boundless landscape, a realm where the seeds of ideas are sown and nurtured into existence. It's where the extraordinary takes root, where the impossible becomes possible. It's a space that defies the laws of reality and embraces the laws of creativity and innovation. Now, it's your turn to take the reins. Consider your own imagination. What ideas have sprung up there? What stories, innovations, or concepts are waiting to be realized? Perhaps you've imagined a groundbreaking invention or a captivating novel. Or maybe you've dreamt up a movie script that could dazzle audiences worldwide. Just remember, these are not mere daydreams. They are the blueprints of your potential reality. So dare to dream, dare to imagine, and dare to share. Subscribe and comment below. Your thoughts fuel our journey into the world of ideas. Remember, your imagination is your reality's blueprint.